In this video, I will show you how to fix MLB The Show 2026 companion app not working. So the first thing that you need to ensure is that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Go to your control center, check if you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or not. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next thing that you need to do is simply go to Play Store. Here, search for the MLB 2026 companion app. Click on it. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. If there is not, then go to Settings. Scroll down below until you find Apps. Click on it. Then go to App Management. Here, search for the MLB companion app. Click on it. Here, simply click on Force Stop. Then confirm it. Scroll down below until you find Storage Uses. Click on it. Here you can find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cache. Once your cache is cleared, you can simply try relaunching the app. And if it is still not working, what you can do is find the app icon, click and hold on to it, then click on Uninstall, confirm it, then reinstall the app from the App Store or Play Store. Then your problem should be solved. If it is still not solved, it might be the issue of the server itself. Just give it some time and it might be fixed on its own. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.